Hey everyone, this is Dells, and I have some bad news about my own life, my job. My job no longer exists. I was let go officially, and it was a very big shock. A lot of people at my place got let go yesterday. We were all pretty surprised, and personally, it's still a shock right now. I'm so tired right now. I'm emotionally drained, and my mind is spinning. I couldn't fall asleep last night because I couldn't stop thinking. The only time I really fell asleep was because I was too emotionally exhausted. Then I woke up again at like 3 in the morning and couldn't get back to sleep again. And it's a shame. I was really starting to enjoy my work. I was starting to do experiments and things that I was really excited for and looking forward to doing. But now that chapter has come to a close. Luckily enough, I am able to get unemployment. I will not be officially doing that for a few weeks because my last paycheck and my severance will be coming soon-ish, and that will keep me going for a while before I need to get unemployment. I've been needing a break. I was planning on taking vacation next week, but I guess it's happening now. And I'm trying to look forward because this is a good time to reflect for myself. And I really want to focus on things that I love, things I enjoy. So, I was going on hiatus for Wing Chun Chips, and I think that hiatus will be very productive. I don't intend to start really searching for jobs for a few weeks. There's one possibility that came up that I'm going to look into next week, but other than that, I'm going to rest and enjoy doing things I love. First and foremost, I'm going to be focusing on my comics because god damn it, I love comics. I never get enough time to really sit down and focus on them, so I'm going to do that. Hopefully I can build up a really big buffer for Wing Chun Chips. I have a big plan in mind for Trick and Treat, and maybe I'll even finish what I need to finish this month. I don't know. Maybe not. That might be a bit lofty. I'm ambitious. There's a lot of things I want to do. I want to do working streams, work on my comics and stream and chat with people. I intend to do more vlogs like this one. I want to do some illustrations. I want to paint something. I bought a whole bunch of oil paint so I could play with it and try a new medium when I'm feeling kind of down in the dumps, and now I have time for an oil painting. I've been dying to try to make an illustration series and maybe get a table at a local convention this year. So maybe I'll focus on that a lot too, and can do some working streams on those. I think that would be really cool, really gratifying to see your art on a display at a convention, I think that would be so cool. I want to give it a try. I'm gonna have a lot of time to work on my cosplay, that's for sure. That con is coming up 2 weeks into September. Still need to buy my ticket. I should do that before I hit unemployment. The other thing I want to do, maybe I can do this to help me raise some money for miscellaneous things, is coffee commissions. I've heard of people doing commissions on coffee, just for little things. Like I was thinking maybe some chibi commissions, like in the style of my Wing Chun Chips comic. Colored, no color, line, no line, depending on what people want. I could do bust sketches. They could be sketches only, they could be lined only, they could be colored fully. But this is something I'm thinking about. And I can take this time to really focus on what I like. Just get some rest and recover from the craziness that's been going on at my job for the last couple weeks, and yesterday especially. I haven't really had freedom in a while, so it's taking a while to sink in. Today is my Saturday, so I usually have this day off, but it won't really sink in until Sunday, I don't think. But I have plans and things to look forward to, and I think these will give you some insight into more of who I am as a person, what I need out of life, what I should look for in a career. I don't really know if I'll do something art related or not, but it'll give me plenty of time to think while I'm working on a painting or whatever. I can think about these things, and hopefully it'll make me feel a little better. I'll get out of this funk soon enough, so just thought I should update you all on what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna stream more, I'm gonna vlog more, I want to make more art, and I hope you'll be around for that. I think it should be fun. I'm sad, I'm tired, but I'm hopeful. This isn't the end of the world. It's just the start of a new chapter.